everyone, I'm Chris, and in this video we're going to learn how to make the Tile Squared Bracelet. Many of the products used in this piece come from the July treasure box. So we're going to need 2 whole tile beads, 2mm crystal rounds, 11/0s, then a jump rings, wire guards, and a clasp of your choosing. And I'm using about 4 feet of size 6 thread, and it is a 2 needle project, so we will need a needle on both ends of our thread here. These are the crystal rounds that came in the treasure box. They're a little challenging to see against the board here, so I'm going to substitute, just for the video, I'm going to substitute these ones I found in my stash someplace. But as you can see, it's pretty simple. You have your 2 hole tile bead, and the holes go this way, and we're going to put our crystal round in between on the 4 sides of that, and then some 11/0s. So we'll go up the bracelet, and then we'll add the rest of the beads coming down the bracelet. So in the middle of your 2 needles, I have placed a wire guard there. I did take my pliers and kind of scrunch it together just a little bit. We're going to add an 11/0 on one needle and then have the other needle go through it as well, kind of crossing each other. So I'm going to pick up an 11/0, and then I'm going to cross this other needle through that. There we go. So that's this guy up here. So now we're going to add one of the 2mm rounds, and again I'm going to use this color just because it's a little easier to see. So I'm going to pick one of the rounds up on one of my needles, and then I'm going to cross through that just like I did with that 11/0 with the other needle. There we go. We have that there. And if you don't feel comfortable using 4 feet of thread, that's okay. Use whatever length you feel comfortable with, and then you can always add thread at some point in the process of this. So I'm going to pick up an 11/0 and the tile bead with one needle. 11/0 and the tile bead. And then with the other needle, I am just going to pick up an 11/0 and go down through the other hole. So I'll pick up an 11/0 and go down through the other hole of the tile bead. Oops. So there we go. So now I'm going to pick up an 11/0 on each thread. So one 11/0 here, one 11/0 here, and on one of the threads I'm going to pick up one of the 2mm rounds, and just like I did up here, I'm going to cross through that with the other needle. So just the rounds is where I'm crisscrossing. So I'm going to pick up an 11/0 on each needle. There's the one needle, and then there's the other needle, and then while I'm over here I'm going to pick up that round, and then I'm going to pick up this other needle and cross through that. So now I'm going to put an 11-0 on each thread. So one 11-0 here, one 11-0 here, and then one of the threads I'll pick up the tile bead. So I'll pick up an 11-0, and I'll pick up a tile bead on this one. And then on this one I'll just pick up the 11-0, and then I'll go straight down the tile bead. Alright, so then I'm going to repeat what I did before. So I'll pick up an 11-0 on each thread, and then on one of the threads I'll pick up the 2mm round. So there's an 11-0, and I'll pick up the round. And then on the other thread I'll pick up an 11-0, and then I'll crisscross through that round. And we'll pull it close to the tile bead. So you're going to continue that until you have the length of bracelet that you need. Go all the way down, and then I'll show you how to add the wire guard on the other end. Now the sample bracelet is from wire guard to wire guard, not including the clasp and the jump rings, is 7 inches. And I've used 16 tiles for that. So go ahead and finish to the length of bracelet that you need and meet me back.
With over $100 of beads for only $35, you can turn this into this, these into these. Premium beads, endless creations. Plus, subscribe quarterly and get a free beading board and a beginner's toolkit. Everything you need to start jewelry making for only $35. Subscribe today.
So I've created an abbreviated length of bracelet here. I ended with the 2mm crystal round on the end, and on one thread I put the 11-0 here, and just like we did at the beginning up here, I'm going to cross through that with the other 11-0, and then we're going to add our wire guard. So we'll crisscross through that 11-0, and then what we're going to do is each thread is going to go around the wire guard. So this one will go up and down the wire guard. This one will go up and down. So we'll actually cross through the wire guard twice. So I'll go up the wire guard with this one, and I'll come back down the wire guard, and I'll pick up my other needle and go the opposite direction. So with the other one, I'll go up the wire guard and down the other side. And we'll pull it down. So we have that. So now we're coming out at the sides of the wire guard. We're going to crisscross through this 11-0, and then we're going to crisscross through the 2mm round. So I have this needle here. I'm going to go through that 11-0. And while I still have my needle here, I'm going to go through the 2mm round. So the other side, I'll go through the 11/0, and then I'll go through the 2mm round. So that's pretty secure. I don't think we need to go back through that there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add the sides of our squares here. So we have one 11/0. We're going to need a total of 3. Then we'll have our 2mm round, and then a total of 3 for the next one. So I'm going to go through this 11/0. I'm going to pick up 2 more 11/0s, a 2mm round, 2 more 11/0s. Then I'm going to go through this bottom 11/0. So on this side, and go through that first 11/0. And I'll pick up 2 more 11/0s, our 2mm round, 2 more 11/0s. Then I'll go through this 11/0, and we will also go through that 2mm round in the middle, and then the next 11/0, and going for these next cubes. So I'll go through that 11/0 and the 2mm round, and then down the next 11/0. So we've finished this one side of the box. Now we're coming out over here, and we'll do the same thing. So this one thread will go on either side. It'll kind of go back and forth down the bracelet. You can choose to do all of just this one thread, going back and forth, weaving in and out, and then follow up with the other one doing the same thing, just going the other direction. Just be aware of your tension, that it's the same on both sides. So I'm coming out of this 11/0 here with that same thread that we started with. I'm going to pick up 2 11/0s, our 2mm round, 2 11/0s, and I'm coming out of here, so I'm going to go through this 11/0, 2mm round, this 11/0. So I'm going through that 11/0, the 2mm round, and then that next 11/0. So now if I go back up to the top where we had added these two, with the other thread, I'm going to go through this 11/0, and I'm going to do the same thing, just curving the opposite direction. So I'm going to pick up 2 11/0s, a 2mm round, 2 11/0s, and then I'm going to go through this 11/0, the 2mm round, and then that other 11/0 on the other side. So I'll go through all of that. So now you have your complete cube or square around the tile bead there. So go ahead and finish it until you get to the very end. And like I said, you can do one thread at a time. You can go back and forth. Just watch your tension. Once you've finished both sides of your bracelet, just like we did before, you're going to cross through the 2mm crystal round, cross through the 11/0, and then we're just going to use one thread to go up and around the wire guard, and then tie a knot with the other thread that's already there. So that'll be secure, because that'll be our second time through the wire guard. So I'm going to choose this side. Just going to go up the wire guard. And I'll go down the wire guard. And then our threads will meet up on the same side, and then go ahead and tie them in a knot, and then burn them off or cut them off the ends. And then you're going to put your jump rings and clasp of choice on either end, and then you've finished your tile squared bracelet. So thank you for watching, and we hope that you post pictures of your creations using the July treasure box on our Facebook page for beading and jewelry making. If you're interested in a monthly subscription, please go to PotomacBeads.com, click on the 3 parallel lines, also known as the hamburger icon, look for subscriptions, and click on Best Bead Box Treasure Edition for more information. Thank you, and please join us again for more instructional videos.